I'm going to talk to you and show you how to maximize space with closet organization and housing accessories. So what I have is I have an accessory station right here, and any walk-in closet should really have an accessory station. I've categorized all of the jewelry. These are all silver. I put rings in this compartment, bracelets. I have special necklaces here, and then you can get these other containers that are actually used to hold beadwork, and you can put beaded jewelry in one, you can put gold jewelry in another, and that's really an inexpensive way to contain your jewelry. I also have mixed and matched different compartments for nice jeweled purses. There's a container back here, let me show you, that we have all of pocketbooks and wallets, and they really do nicely standing up vertical. And then now go on to shoes. Here we have a great shelf, and so one of the tricks with shoes is you want to put open-toed shoes next to each other, and what I've done is I've turned the shoes to maximize space here. One of the shoes facing front and one facing back, so that you can remember and see what the front and the back of the shoe looks like, as well as this is a lot more space efficient than having both the shoes this way. See, it doesn't fit. So we turn that around and you can fit more shoes on a shelf.